So I dehydrate beef liver for Ruby, and she knows when I open this, and she'll come running. Right now she's in the front room. Oh, there she is. She can hear. She knows the sound, and she was like, "Oh, it's done. Can I have some treats now?" Do you know that your treats is done? So this beef liver has been dehydrated for 8 hours for 158 degrees. So I got this what do you call this, dehydrator from Amazon like 3 years ago, and it's still working. It is really good. So what you do is just turn this on like that, and this is temperature right here. I did dehydrate this for 8 hours. Let me turn this off. And look at this. Set. Nice. Oh, that was not nice, puppy dog. I was like, oh my god, this is so good.